Welcome to break 2190 for the 2019-20 Hit Parade Basketball Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting into the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, May 25th, 2020. It's 10:34 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:34 p.m. Central Time, and 7:34 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Eagle Eye Antiques with 17 spots, Detour 3, Lady Cards 2, Daryl 3, Skizzle 2, Champ 1, Hawkeye 1, Bolt 1 spot. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Eagle Eye on top, Bolt bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Eagle Eye on top, Daryl on the bottom. Alrighty, Eagle Eye with the Hawks, Bolt Celtics, Skizzle with the Nets, Detour Hornets, Laddie Cards Bulls, Eagle Eye Cavaliers Mavericks, Buy My Cards with the Nuggets, Eagle Eye Pistons Warriors, Champ with the Rockets, Eagle Eye Pacers, Clippers, Lakers, Daryl Grizzlies, Eagle Eye Heat, Hawkeye Bucks, Eagle Eye with the Timberwolves, Detour with the Pelicans, Laddie Cards with the Knicks, Skizzle Thunder, Eagle Eye Magic, 76ers, Suns, Trailblazers, Kings, Spurs, Detour Raptors, Eagle Eye Jazz, and Daryl with the Washington Wizards. Everyone watching The Last Dance, we're all sealed up, top and bottom. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Empty. And we have Karl Malone auto. Karl Malone auto. So we have the Utah Jazz Karl Malone. Check that out. Karl Malone, Utah Jazz auto, Mosaic scripts, Utah Jazz. Let's see who has the Utah Jazz. Karl Malone, number 32. Okay, Karl Malone, Mosaic. The Utah Jazz, Eagle Eye Antiques. Congrats on the Karl Malone, Utah Jazz Auto Mosaic. And that was break 2190 for the 2019-20 Hit Parade Basketball Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting into the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at p-sportscards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then right after that, we'll have break 2193 for the 2020 Topps Archive 6 Series Active Player Edition. Thanks.